Afternoon, YouTube. It's your boy here down here at Ozark Mountain sawmilling, and so when you sawmill, when you cut logs, make them into wood boards, you have slabs, and you get a lot of slabs, especially if you do a lot of sawmilling. And you come up with piles of slabs. This is actually number two, the second pile of slabs. So I got to thinking about it. I was like, well, my mom's always wanting mulch or wood chips for her garden. So today we decided to go out and rent a Vermeer 10-inch wood chipper. Well, 10-inch wood chipper means it can handle up to about a 10-inch log, or 10-inch wide, whatnot. It is a power feed system. All you got to do is get those into there, and then that's it. It does all the rest of it. And then it comes out the chute and turns into this. Just wood chips. Super fine. Some of them are really fine, and then you get some bigger ones, you know, that don't quite go through. And they just get blowed out. So anyhow, I'm gonna put you on a tripod and show you kind of how this thing works. And yeah, it's a good way to get rid of slabs. You take unusable stuff. I mean, we don't burn pine in the wood stove at all. And Mom's always needing stuff for the chickens and the garden and whatnot. So yeah, this is one way to get rid of slabs. And then I'm also going to be working on chipping up this stuff. Some of it's going to be big enough that I don't know if the wood chipper will chip it, but we'll put it through and see what happens.
The preacher man says it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a gold dry. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you're only getting mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see, my woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do. We grow good old tomatoes and homemade wine, and country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. Virginia coal mines and the Rocky Mountains and the western skies. And we can skin a buck, we can run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I had a good friend in New York City. He never called me by my name, just Hillbilly. My grandpa taught me how to live off the land, and his taught him to be a businessman. He used to send me pictures of the Broadway nights, and I'd send him some homemade wine. But he was killed by a man with a switchblade knife. For $43, my friend lost his life. I'd love to spit some beach nut in that dude's eyes and shoot him with my old 45, 'cause a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. 'Cause you can't stop us out and you can't make us run, 'cause we're them old boys raised on shotgun. We say great, we say ma'am, if you ain't into that, we don't give a damn.
So there we have it, folks. A giant, let me get some better light. Well, it's not like giant, but it's like pretty good sized pile. And it's just a Vermeer BC 1000 LX or XL, and so after running this thing for, I've had it for 2 hours so far. I got it for 8, and I've got basically all my slabs cleaned up. I had a pile down by the house, and then I had this pile over here. And so I've got 2 decent size of shavings here. And yeah. So anyhow, folks, that is it for now. If you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. And I'll get another video made shortly of some more sawmilling. Alright, well, have a good weekend. Happy Mother's Day to any of those moms watching.